Sheena, how's it going?
Boring.
Boring.
Who are you talking to? Oh,
Oh, you at the school right now?
yeah.
Okay.
Why'd you make such a big packet?
That's for the whole rest of the year. That's everything.
Ugh.
I got 2 of those, I think.
2 of them?
I
Why
don't
do you
have
have 2?
time for this.
I don't know. I gotta check.
You don't have time for this. You have so much time for it.
Most of my time is spent sleeping.
Mm-hmm. I feel so sorry for you.
Why do you feel
Alright.
sorry?
Because I'm making you do work instead of sleep.
Yeah.
All
You should
right.
feel
So
sorry then.
we got Raymond, we got Deshina, we got
Wait,
Ethan.
what kind of packet are you talking about?
Like this, right?
I think I'm gonna get one too, because I'm in that class too.
Is this it?
So-
My camera's not working.
Yeah. It's all online, but
Okay.
I printed off every single worksheet for the rest of the year, basically.
Okay, well, I have a Chromebook, so I'll just look at it online.
Yeah, you'll be able to do it online. Huh. So we don't have Hayden. So if anybody has Hayden or Cody's number, or Natasha, or Shania, or Quana, or Matthew Reed, or Earl,
All of them.
Kenzie, Storm, Jade Ticket.
Kinsey.
And I know Jade can get online because he showed up to Mrs. Lake's a couple days ago. I've seen Hayden. He was on Mr. Coughlin's earlier, I think. So if you guys just want to like text people really quickly to see if you can get everybody on, it'll make this a lot easier.
Sure.
Okay, well, I'm gonna head out.
Matthew was able to get on the 8th grade meetup. I know that. So he's out there somewhere.
Everyone have a good day. Go on a walk.
Bye,
Okay,
Talia.
well,
Bye.
I had stuff I was going to show you, but I guess you can watch the recording later.
Where's the recording at? I can't even
It'll be on
see.
Google Classroom. I'm going to record this whole meeting and put it on Google Classroom for the people that weren't able to be here.
Okay, well, I'll look it on there then.
Okay, and try to get Quana and other people to do it too, please.
Okay, I'll text her.
Okay, cool.
Bye, everyone.
Later. So for all of you here, since you're on time, I'll show you what's going on. I'm going to mute everybody while I talk, though, just to make it easier on me so you can hear. So everything's going to be on Google Classroom. And I see Raymond and Deshina and Eli have all grabbed the packet of work already. So obviously you don't have to go on Google Classroom to do it. Raymond, did you pick up the solutions as well?
Yeah, my sister grabbed the solutions as well.
Okay. And how about you, Eli? Do you also have the solutions?
I don't think so. It was a part of the packet.
There was 2 separate packets. There was a packet of the
Yeah,
worksheets, and
I don't know. Like, no created this for me. Guys put all
Okay.
together in the bag.
well, you have Google Classroom access, so it won't be.
yeah,
so
I
bad.
do.
Okay.
There's a
So
copy on the notes.
So I'm going to screen share real quick so that people can see what's going on. All right. Can people see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. It's weird because on my Zoom, I don't see my own screen. I just see me still. All right. So if you guys go to classwork and you scroll all the way down, eventually I was going to fill out a bunch of stuff on this, but the 2 different sections that we haven't done yet are 3D shapes and probability. So in 3D shapes, there's 4 different quizzes. I'm not quite sure what we're going to do about that. But so if you were to click on Intro to 3D, there's a bunch of different things. The first one is just the blank worksheet, right? Which most of you have already picked up. The second one is the notes that I wrote up for everything. The third one is actually a video of me doing the notes so that you could actually hear me and see what was happening as it went on, in case you'd like to hear it as well as see it. And so there's that. And then the last one will be the different solutions for each worksheet. So you have access to a worksheet, to a static version of notes, to the version of me doing the notes, and then the solutions for each one. Does that make sense, everybody?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you should be able to check your work, everything like that. And then basically once you're done with this,
Take a look.
somehow I'll get you some quizzes. Obviously you'll be doing them at home. And then there'll be probability, which is actually only 3 quizzes. And I don't actually think we'll get through all of probability, but I'm going to have it all on there anyway, just in case. And then as far as I can tell from what I've heard, there won't be a district final exam. So I don't think there's a final. Okay.
Great. How do I have to do a presentation then?
Well, no, that's a presentation they might make you do, but I know the district is not giving us the normal geometry final that we'd make you do.
And so if Mara needs a book, I just need to come back up here to get a book.
Okay. So mostly you'll just be going through this on your own. We're going to meet starting next week, once a week at sometime. I believe it's 11:45 to 12:45 on Tuesdays. Yeah, period 2, 11:45, 12:45 on Tuesdays is the only time we'll be zooming in. Otherwise, if you have questions, I'll have office hours, which I'll post, where I'll just have my meeting open. And if you want help, you can just pop in whenever you want.
You're gonna be posting this, right?
Yes, yes. I'll be
Yeah.
posting it all in Google Classroom, and I'll send it out on the Remind app so that you can all get it through text as well. Deshina, you're making me dizzy, spinning around so much. I just see
Yeah.
feeling going around and around.
I'm
We just hit-
pacing.
We also see the ceiling a lot.
Yeah.
It's
I'm
like
just
stand,
pacing, guys.
like just stand it up on something like a table.
I mean, if I was mean, I guess I could just
Yeah.
do that, maybe. And then we don't have to see her anymore.
Wow.
But other than that, does anybody have any questions about anything?
I don't really understand unit circle because I wasn't there for the notes, but I did copy them.
Okay. So once everybody else jumps off, I can help you with unit circle if you want.
Okay.
Okay. Does anybody else have questions about geometry? No. So it makes sense. You'll be doing it all yourselves through my notes and videos. You can check your answers. Once you finish all of surface area, you can ask me about quizzes. Raymond, you still have a ton of quizzes you should be making up from last quarter. Like all that stuff doesn't just go away because of all of this. So obviously you can ask me. I have no idea what you just said.
I think I have 6 quizzes.
Mhm. Yeah, so we'll have to talk about that at some point to figure out how to get you those quizzes. And I'm pretty sure Mindy and Micah are going to have office hours too at some point or something like that. Or I don't know.
They're still working that one out. There's concerns about us working with more than one student at a time
Mhm.
for whatever reason from district office for privacy issues, I think.
Oh,
Like
Okay.
we ever work with one-on-one, but that's okay.
Mhm. Okay.
But we plan to have some kind of office hours. We just don't know what it will look like.
Okay. Yeah. So Raymond, there'll be lots of help if you want help with stuff. We just don't know how yet, I guess.
Okay.
Okay. So
Do
if
you
people don't
still
have,
go to, do you still go to the school?
I've gone there a couple times when I need to do copies or just, I was just snowshoeing. I was around the school the other day just because I hadn't been outside in like 3 days.
Yeah.
Did you
I
get
was
my
going crazy.
quizzes?
Yeah, are you gonna print out quizzes? That's a good question.
I actually brought my folder of quizzes home. So if people needed to do quizzes, I could either I can scan them digitally to send to people, or if we were on Zoom, I could literally just show it to you and then you could copy the questions down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but did you get my quizzes I gave to Snow?
He did not hand me any quizzes. When was this?
Like last Friday, I turned in some work for Lake, and then I gave like the B quizzes, like the ones I had, to
Uh-huh.
Snow, and then he should eventually give it to you, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't been to the school since last like Thursday, so
Yeah,
I'm sure
that's
he'll
probably
hand them
why.
to me.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah. If you guys are done with questions, you can feel free to log off. I was going to help Eli with Unit Circle, but yeah, that's about it.